Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is absolutely fine. First of all, I would like to thank my friend Karisma Yasin for letting me her MI Band 3 to unbox in my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video guys. So let's do the unboxing guys. Well, my friend bought this from Amazon for a price of 1600. The main MRP is 2299. MI Band 3. But the price keeps on fluctuating, so let's keep the band aside and let us see what are there in the box. One charging cable, most probably this one will be the user guide. How to use and everything are there in this user guide, you guys can read. So finally this is the band. Oh, it looks quite elegant. The build quality is pretty good. The build quality of this strap is also good. So to get started with the device, you need to install the all new MI Fit app from Play Store. And you have to connect with your device. Well, with the MI Fit app, you can set customized daily goals based on your needs. Choose an exercise that works for you and regularly check your progress, view sleep data and much more. So this MI Band 3 gives up to 20 days battery life. Well, definitely a full charge will last up to 20 days on a normal uses. So in this way you need to select location, then enter your country and each and every details that this app is asking to you, and after that just click on next. It's a very easy procedure. So you have to set your height, weight, age, everything. Then only accurate results will come. Finally successful. So now you have to click on band, and after that it will connect to your MI band free. So you have to wait for the vibration in the phone. Yeah, now it has been connected. So just keep all these parts. So you can control from your mobile also. So in your MI band tree, you can get instant notifications, and it is a water resistant as well. And the best part is that it has a large OLED touch screen, which is 0.78 inch OLED touch screen, allowing you to do and view more things on the screen. So in instant notifications, you can view or reject incoming calls from the band, check SMS, WhatsApp, Insta, and any other apps, any other notification apps. And it gives water resistance up to 50 meters. Well, that's very great. And I think in this price range, it's great to go. So this MI band tree will support Android 4.4, iOS 7 or above with Bluetooth 4.0 and above. Anyways guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you guys like the video, so please do subscribe, share and hit the like button. Till then, I'm signing off for today. I will see you in my next video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.